Welcome to Accounting Brew, where boring numbers become your daily cup of clarity. Today's topic, functions of accounting. Let's get started. Here's the textbook definition. Who writes this stuff? Let me put it simply. The functions of accounting are basically how you organize your money so you know where it went, where it came from, and what to do next. Say you run a coffee shop. Every day, you keep track of how many Americanos and lattes you sold. That's recording where the money came and went. You separate dine-in and takeout sales. That's classifying. You make a profit report at the end of the month. That's summarizing. You notice milk costs have gone up, but cold drinks are selling well, so you decide to promote iced tea lattes next month. That's analysis and decision-making. This whole process is how you organize your money. Not just for bookkeeping, but to understand your business and decide what's next. You think business is slow because there aren't enough customers. But really, you're wasting too many supplies. You think you're making money, but too many discounts eat up your profits. Without accounting, you're guessing your decisions. With accounting, you use data and avoid mistakes. A lot of people confuse accounting functions with accounting objectives, and it gets messy. Simply put, the objective of accounting is that you want to make money running your coffee shop. The functions are you counting cash, organizing receipts, and doing the math every day, busy as ever. The objective tells you where to go, and the functions help you how to get there without getting lost. Don't mix them up, or you might be counting money while it's disappearing. The accounting functions are like writing a daily money diary. So you don't forget where your cash came from, where it went, and don't get tricked by yourself at month's end.